Hey, check this out. I just finished this cool project. If you want to know how I made it, stay tuned. I'm about to show you. So we're going to go with the ampersand and this pattern. But I have something in mind that it's not just going to be this. First step though is to glue this paper onto that wooden ampersand. So I'm going to take my nasty old sponge and Liquitex matte gel, and I'm going to cover this real quick. In fact, I'm going to pause and we're going to come back. Okay, so it's all done. Even all those little weird edges, really good coat. It's okay to go, I feel like it's okay to go a little bit extra. And then we want to make sure that we get all of the edges. So enough on this side, and then enough on this side. I'm going to put a paper towel down, and then we're going to roll it with a speedball print roller. It's very difficult to do this one-handed, I just want to say. So yeah, we're gonna, and then I'm gonna we're gonna take this panel of wood that I prepped for another project, and we're gonna place it right over top, and we're gonna put some heavy books on this, and then we're gonna let it dry, and then we'll come back. Since I don't love this, like with all of my heart, I thought, why not experiment with it? So over here, I'm going to put a couple dots of color. I'll place this down on the saran wrap, allowing the saran wrap to stick, but hopefully have a bit more interesting pattern when it's dry. Wish me luck. I'm going to spritz it with alcohol. I've decided to use sapphire blue. Pinata gold. Let's see what happens. Now that is pretty freaking wild. But not quite what I'm looking for. So here is the ampersand. I've left it overnight. It's still got the plastic wrap on it. It's looking really interesting. And so I thought, let's peel it. Let's peel it and see what it looks like. Oh, it's really pretty. This is going to look amazing under resin. Let me get it up close for you. It's got some spectacular metallics. And the texture on this, oh, so fun. So, I'm gonna take it outside. We're gonna give it a spray with the Krylon UV Archival spray. It's a varnish. It's in semi-gloss. It doesn't matter because the resin is going to be nice and shiny anyways. So I'm gonna give this a couple of coats of resin, or sorry, a couple coats of the archival spray, and then hopefully just one really spankin' fantastic resin coat. As you can see, I've already taped the back of this, and then I was doing all of that inking with my fingers crossed that it doesn't seep around the outside. For a moment, I've contemplated peeling back a little bit of this tape just to see what's going on underneath there. I'm actually not going to. I'm going to leave it exactly the way that it is. I'm going to spray it with the archival spray, and then I'm going to resin with this tape already in place. And we'll see how that turns out.